In our last video, I explained how the body burns fat when you reduce calories while burning more energy. Today, I'm going to be talking about low-carb diets. If your body can't use sugar for energy, its only other substitute is fat. This process happens when the liver metabolizes fat in the form of ketones, a biochemical compound. These compounds can then be absorbed by the body's cells and transformed into energy. This process is called ketosis and refers to the biochemical process your body goes through when it starts burning fat for energy. Your body is used to burning sugars in your bloodstream, liver, and muscles. Under extreme circumstances, your body would convert protein into sugar. When your body is burning fat for energy, it doesn't release insulin since there is no sugar produced. What this means is you feel fuller longer. As a result, you can last longer without eating throughout the day, unlike you would if you were on a carbohydrate-rich diet. One of the main reasons why so many people gain weight is because they can't stop eating throughout the day. This is because the insulin in the body is repeatedly peaking numerous times during the day. These repeated peaks trigger the brain to feel hungry and your body sends out hunger signals. You then can't help but eat. By eating more calories and not burning the calories at the same rate, your body ends up storing the excess calories that turn into fat. A low-carb diet works in a completely different way. Your body is burning fat instead of sugar, you feel fuller for a longer. Now, I want to highlight a common misconception about going on a keto diet. This misconception is that you can end up contaminating your blood with ketone bodies to a point it could become lethal. This is a myth. However, there are some people who develop a condition called ketoacidosis. They are people who cannot naturally produce insulin. Those most prone to ketoacidosis are type 1 diabetics. Most people are not type 1 diabetic. You really don't need to worry about developing ketoacidosis. The body still produces insulin at some level, it can't go completely off insulin. But, as with any diet, you should always consult your doctor before trying any new diet plan. So, how do you lose weight with the keto diet? To successfully lose weight with the keto diet, you need to focus on staying on the keto diet for the long term. Don't just look at the keto diet as just another typical diet, like the ones you probably tried but didn't get any results. You must keep an open mind and focus on the following. You will need to change your lifestyle. The keto is not just another diet option. It's something much greater than a simple choice to switch from one class of foods to another. Think long term. For the keto diet to work, you must understand it's a long-term strategy. It's not something you're trying just because you must lose weight for your high school reunion. The keto diet is a long-term program. It changes your taste buds and, ultimately, changes your whole relationship with food and your attitude towards eating. Bear this in mind and your chances of success increase tremendously. So many people go on a diet and they lose weight, only to gain the weight back, and often they weigh more after a few months. They switch diet repeatedly again and again. They become overweight because they don't think in terms of lifestyle change. Instead, they look at each weight loss program as simply another diet. To stay updated and know when we add new videos, click on the subscribe button.